Hey guys, welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, we are going to take a look at wood paneling. Now, this is a look from the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, and a lot of people consider it a way to really date a home. But I'm going to show you there are some ways that you can really spruce it up and make it someplace that you will love living. Now, with so many people wanting to buy homes, but with how expensive things are right now, especially building a home, a lot of people are opting to go for older homes. And depending on what age range your home is in, you may have some wood paneling in that home. Now, some people are definitely opposed to painting over it, and some people are opposed to like ripping it off and just replacing it with a solid drywall or just a standard wall or just painting or just doing whatever. But if you want to let your wood paneling shine, that is most definitely an option, and it's a beautiful option. So this video is just to give you a little inspiration, just to give you a few ideas for you to take home and use in your home. If you have wood paneling wall, you can also get some home decor ideas here as well. I hope you all enjoy the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. By my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist my You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here